Commissioning Stage 1. Check the gap between the platform and the squeegee. Edge gap requirement, 0.1 to 0.3 mm range. Operate the software to reset the squeegee button, placing the platform in the print status. Turn off the machine and then measure it. Put on gloves, use a feeler gauge to check the gaps at the 6 edge positions, upper left, lower left, upper right, middle right, and lower right of the platform, and maintain a record. Power on the machine and use the software to move the platform. It is recommended to move it to the negative limit position to facilitate gasket installation. Remove the enclosures on both sides of the machine. Remove the baffles on both sides. Use a hex wrench to loosen the 6 platform retaining screws, and add gaskets to any edge gaps exceeding 0.3 mm. Tighten the platform retaining screws. Repeat the above steps to verify that the gaps are within the 0.1 to 0.3 mm range. After inspection, restore the machine to its original state. Repower the machine and restart the software. Commissioning Stage 2. Adjust the equipment level and correct the print liquid level. Operate the software to reset the squeegee button, placing the platform in the print status. Observe the height of the liquid surface to the platform surface in the 4 areas: upper left, upper right, and lower right. Use a wrench to twist the foot cup so that the height of the liquid surface to the platform surface in all 4 areas is approximately 0.1 mm. Note: turning the foot cup clockwise raises the machine, causing the liquid in the current area to descend. Turning it counterclockwise lowers the machine, causing the liquid in the current area to rise. Commissioning Stage 3. Adjust the squeegee liquid level height. The software operates the squeegee reset button so that the platform is in the print status. The float is lowered or resin liquid is added to make the liquid level reach the print status. Observe whether the liquid at the squeegee glass lens reaches the halfway mark. If not reaching the halfway mark, disassemble the lower right sheet metal. Adjust the suction strength of the squeegee suction pump until the liquid level at the glass lens reaches the halfway mark. Restore the lower right sheet metal to the print status.